Let's start our puzzle. This is the first one. Just checking. 5 kids sit down to play some games of checkers. If each one of the 5 kids plays one game with each of the others, what is the total number of the games played? How find out the solution of the puzzle? Total 5 kids. Each one of the 5 kids plays one game with each of the others. Then each one plays 4 games. Total 5 kids. Then we multiply 5 into 4. Then 20. This is not the correct answer. Why? I will show. A, B, C, D, E. 5 kids. A to B to C to D to E. Total 4. Then B. B already with A. Okay. Then we can avoid it. Then B, E, D, C. How many? 3. Then C. C already with B and A. Then rest D and E. That is 2. Only here D with E. That is 1. Okay. All have 4 plays games. B 1, 2, 3, 4. C 1, 2, 3, 4. D 1, 2, 3, 4. E. But total is 10 games. Okay. Big difference. Your challenge is to place the digits 2, 4, 6 and 7 into the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes already here. Place the digits 2, 4, 6 and 7 into the boxes. So that the difference between the two digit number is as big as possible. This is the puzzle. Please find it and answer in comment box.